How to use EBT SNAP on Uber Eats. Follow these instructions. Open Uber Eats, go to Wallet, and tap Add Payment Method to link your EBT SNAP card securely. Also add a backup payment method, like debit credit, to cover non-EBT charges like delivery and fees. Tap Grocery and use the SNAP filter to view only EBT-eligible grocery stores near you. Browse the store and choose only items labeled as SNAP-eligible, like fruits, meat, dairy. Add items to your cart and make sure all SNAP tag items are covered by your EBT card. At checkout, select EBT for eligible items and your backup method for any remaining costs. Confirm your order, track delivery in real time, and enjoy free delivery on up to 3 SNAP orders. Thank you for watching.